Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Even corporate communications cannot just go single-handedly. It has to go with all other divisions together. That since my work experience has been from Teach for India, where I worked as a full-time 2-year fellow and I taught in a low-income private school. So from then only, I think that there was a deep down root cause for me to work in a sector which is socially involved or has a meaningful purpose behind it. So when I saw the form of Tata Steel, I was pretty much excited that I could finally connect my dots from where I started with Teach for India to Mica, learning about culture, and then to Tata Steel. So my project scope is to dissect the media landscape or to build a business model for the local media management at Tata Steel Jamshedpur. Now, to understand the external and the internal parts of it, the external stakeholders basically includes of the PR or the agency or the journalist and different other stakeholders attached to it. While the internal stakeholders involve the internal communication head, the external communication head from Mumbai, or the corporate communications team, the HR, union, and the employees. So these are all the stakeholder mapping of my particular project.
If you look into the field of corporate communication, it's primarily to do with customer relationship or dealing with people one-on-one, or mass communication or one-on-one communication, where your skill sets are entirely different. So unlike professions where you can work from a distance, if it's accounts or procurement, so you can work from a distance. You don't need to be that much customer oriented because it's more internal facing. So we are internal as well as external facing. So while we are mentoring people, so we keep this in mind, and that is the skill set that we look at.
Learning has been cross-functional in terms of the 72 other interns. So when we are having an open house or while discussing in our WhatsApp groups, each of the particular divisions starts sharing their learnings. So this is something which I've learned, that even corporate communications cannot just go single-handedly. It has to go with all other divisions together.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. How was your mid-review?
So my mid-review happened last week and it was really nice. I gave, all my research documents of the last 4 weeks to my mentor, and he suggested a few other things I could work on in the next 4 weeks. So I'm currently working on that. How was your mid-review?
Mine was good as well. I got a lot of feedback from ma'am as to how we are going to go ahead, and we have created an approach strategy as to how to achieve the outcome. So it has been pretty much a roller coaster journey, but yeah, learnings have been there. When I'm talking to the stakeholders, when I'm talking to the journalists or to different other stakeholders, I wish I was over there. I wish I could see the picture from their lens. I wish I could see the landscape of Jamshedpur. I've heard so many things about Jamshedpur.
What I hear from people, that it's a right batch of people who've come in and they've come up with some innovative sort of recommendations. It is up to us how we accept and implement those. So we're very excited about it. It is a feeling of almost, that something new is around the corner, which happens every time this year, because each batch of fresh blood comes up. I won't say all of them are wow, but 3-4 of them are such that, we are able to take those projects through and through and implement them.